Hi, my name is Saranpreet and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be an Amazon home decor haul video or garden decor haul video. So I ordered few things from Amazon for my balcony decor. So I was like, why not sharing it with you all? So here I have all the products with me. So I'm going to open with you all. So I have already opened a few products so that I can check for the return if I want to return something or not. So let's get started with this video. So the first thing I ordered is here. So these are hanging wall mounted plant stand. So this is a set of 8 for rupees 599 and I really like the quality as well. So let me show you the one ring. So it is going to look like this. Just screw it from here to the wall, just secure it tightly to the wall and put one planter inside this ring. So it will surely going to look great in your room as well as in the balcony. So I really like this product. So I am going to give this 10 on 10 because I really wanted this product for a long time. When I see it on the Amazon, I was like, I want this. So yeah, this will really going to look nice, I'm sure. So it is made up of iron and it is obviously black in color. I really like it and the quality is also good, so you can surely buy it if you want. And the next thing I order is behind me. You can see this bubble ball string LED fairy light. So it is of 3-meter length and the price is $299. The color of the string is warm white and the light color is yellow. So it gives a yellow boho vibe. I really liked it. You can just add it to your favorite place and it will really make a difference and change the vibe of whole place immediately. I will surely gonna buy one more and the quality is also good. It is not battery operated. You need to plug in. I'm going to give 9 on 10 for this product. So let me just open this. So this is how it looks. Bird family wall sticker. Surely going to review this after placing it on the wall. So I want this for my balcony. So I want this for my balcony garden and I really loved it because I'm not expecting the size like of this much, but I really loving it. It is so cute and just going to match with the vibe of my balcony. So I'm expecting it to be one sticker, but let me check. There are more. These are more like. So these are like 3 pieces. Sparrows, cute bird, family. So I'm gonna create something good. So you have also given this like manual.
So you have to cut the ball sticker into small parts with scissors. Place them in the place in right order. Cut out the useless parts. Tear up a corner of a wall sticker. Fold up the backing paper. Then stick it on the wall. Pull away the backing. Meanwhile smooth the surface. Follow the numbers in pre-cut sticker and join them. To complete the design, follow some third step.
See, the colors of the sticker is too pretty. I really love. Look at this pink and this orange. Wow, I loved it. you have to join all the bird like this. So I really loved it. It makes me feel so happy. So let me check the price. So I got this for rupees 239.
If your parents are like mine, so you can surely invest in such stickers. I really love the quality and look at the colors. These are like really cute colors. These are not like vibrant yellow and all. And these are like 3. I'm expecting 1. Like, oh wow, what?
So I got this for my balcony to make it more creative and expressive. So I got this cute bird family sticker. All the links will be provided in the description box. You can surely check it there. So I got this for like rupees 239. I'm going to give it 10 on 10 because I really loved it. I'm sure this one is going to be my like best ever purchase from the Amazon, and I really loved it. So the next thing is here. So these are metal hanging hooks or wall mounted plant hangers. So these are again set of 8. These are set of 8 for rupees 815. So let me show you the one. So it is going to be like this. You also provided these stuff so that you can do it if you don't have in your house. So you can hang the planter here. Just screw it from here and there on the wall, and it will look really nice. The quality of the product is so good, and the paint is also good. I think it is a spray paint. And the price is 715. So these are like 8 for 715. So I really loved it as the quality is good. So price is, I think, on a good side. I'm not sure if it is high or low. I'm giving this product 10 on 10 again because definitely use it indoor as well as outdoor
because I really loved it and the quality is good. You can just use this to hang your planters. You can just buy this product if you want.
So moving on to the next product here. Let's open this. So the next thing I got is related to gardening. So this is natural perlite. If you're interested in growing plants or raising seedlings like sowing seeds and growing plant indoors, so you can definitely buy this product. You can.
So what perlite do is basically it helps to loosen the heavy soil. The price are given here, so I'm reading this. It absorbs extra water from the soil, does not decompose, improves drainage and aeration in the potting mix, extremely high porosity, durability and lightweight.
So let's move on to the next product that is here. Let me open this. So these are 3 white frames with the 3 paintings. So let me show you the paintings also. The quality of the white frame is good. Let me show you the paintings. I really love the colors. Look at the colors. So I really love the colors, and the quality of the painting is also nice. Look at this.
So I got this 3 white frame paintings for my room. So I am also planning to do my room decor. So for that I have got these 3 white framed paintings.
So I got these 3 white frame paintings for rupees 378. So I really love the quality of the paintings and also the frames. I'm going to give this product 8 on 10. No doubt I really like the paintings and the frame, but they haven't provided the hook, that hook to hold this thing, because it is very easy to stick this to the wall with hammer. You don't have to drill much hole in your house. I really love this, so I'm surely going to buy it separately, so that's why I'm cutting 2 points out of it. So otherwise I loved it. So moving on to the next product is this big box. So let me just open this. So these are hanging planters. 1, 2, 3. I really love the black color. It looks so good. Purple and green. So these are set of 6. So these are set of 6 for rupees 700. So we have provided all the chains. So these are multicolored hanging planter. I got this for my balcony decor. So I really wanted some hanging planters in my balcony, so I have ordered these 6 hanging planters for rupees 700. I really love the color and the quality as well. So I've got these 6 multicolor hanging planters for rupees 700. I really loved it, and the quality is also good, colors are good, so totally worth it. So I'm giving 10 on 10 for this product. So this is how it is going to look like. So the next thing I got comes in this packaging. So it is feather, a reusable wall stencil for painting. I wanted to do something with my balcony walls, but my parents are not allowed me to do so. And then I find this product on Amazon, and now I'm surely going to do my creativity on the walls. So if your parents are like mine, if they are not trust your painting skills, then you can surely buy these stencils. So I got this like leaf print or feather print, and the price is also not much. It is for rupees 189 only.
Show you the instruction manual. It also comes with the stencil. So select your favorite spot on the wall. Use a masking tape to secure stencil to the wall. Use a small roller. Roll it gently on the color palette and remove excess paint by rolling it in a paper towel. Remember, less is more. Start from the center and gently roll the rolling up and down movement. Avoid going over the same area too much time, and too much paint will build up and bleed through. So this is the point that you don't have to take more paint so that it can drop down. So it will surely going to ruin your walls. Once done, let it semi-dry and remove stencil gently. Once it is semi-dry, then you can remove it. Use paint. You can also use paintbrush for the final touch. So that's it. The instruction manual is this.
So the next box is here. So let me open this. So this thing. Let me show you. So these are like identification tags or markers or labels. So these are 100. These are set of 100 for rupees 399. You can also use ice cream stick instead of it, but if you are looking for a product for a longer time use, you can definitely use these tags. So I wanted to add tags in each of my planter so that everyone can read the name of the plant as well. So
you can definitely buy it if you want to name your plants, you want to label your plant, so you can just fix this tag into each planter or pot and name the plant here, write the plant name here. You can also write scientific names as well. So if you are looking for a good quality identification tags or markers, you can definitely buy this. These are like of really good quality. These are not like cheaper ones.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do so, then subscribe, like, share and comment. This will really makes me happy. So if you really enjoyed, you can do subscribe. So yeah, bye bye. Meet you in the next video.
Do subscribe.